Welcome back to Fictiv Features. I'm Hiro. Today we're looking at drawings reconciliation, instantly mapping your 2D drawings to your part configuration and catching discrepancies before they cause delays. When quoting a CNC part, manually verifying that all the specs in your 2D drawing match your platform configuration can be slow, inconsistent, and error-prone. Drawings reconciliation solves this. When you upload your files, Fictiv's proprietary PDF OCR engine instantly reads your technical drawings. It automatically categorizes and configures requirements from your technical drawings. Any requirement discrepancies are surfaced before you reach checkout. You can review and resolve any discrepancies, creating a single customer-approved source of truth without sending a single support email. Fictiv pro tip, always export your 2D drawing directly from the final version of your 3D model. Keeping your requirements perfectly synced eliminates the vast majority of conflicts before drawings reconciliation even scans your technical drawing file. That's episode 4. With drawings reconciliation, you can resolve discrepancies in seconds and lock in a single source of truth for your CNC parts. Head to Fictiv.com to start quoting with total confidence. See you next time.